Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding and most attractive collection of crochet women top designs, different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection, most attractive and most amazing collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful and always trendy. So I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs and more ideas. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet women top designs and others like crochet women long dresses, short dresses, full sleeve dresses, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder, one shoulder dresses, crochet women skirt designs, crochet women trouser designs, crochet women poncho designs, cap, shawl, caplet, circular jacket, open jacket designs, crochet baby scarf designs, and baby frock designs, baby romper designs, baby shoes designs, baby cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, short gloves, long gloves, fingerless gloves, and in jewelry, crochet women necklace designs, crochet women earring designs, crochet women bracelets, finger rings also. In feet jewelry, crochet women anklet designs and baby crochet anklet designs also, and many more things. So dear friends, you can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. Try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video with your close friends and relatives, then they also enjoy this video like you. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon.